Hello artists! Today we'll be creating a color theory reference chart with a color wheel and primary color mixing chart. So we're going to start off by drawing a color wheel and then drawing the chart, and then we're going to go back and we're going to watercolor in all the color. Before you begin painting, set up your painting station. So you might want to put a placemat underneath or an old piece of paper. Get your watercolors opened up, get a bowl of water, that's harder to spill, and your paintbrush. Then to activate the paints, I would suggest just putting a little drop of water in each of them, just to activate them, get them started. Okay. Then you'll dip, wipe off the extra water, and then you are going to paint your color wheel. Take your time. You're going to keep this in your art studio and use it as a reference, and just follow the colors you see on my shared screen, or you probably wrote the letters in there. Before you get a new color, always wash it off. Dip, wipe. Swirl, swirl, and please be gentle with these brushes. They're not the most expensive, so be gentle with them. Otherwise, all of the bristles will fall out. Once you finish your color wheel, I encourage you to actually mix your own secondary colors. So you're using the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, to mix your own secondary. So just to demonstrate, I had you make the first color of the primary color in the equation larger, because when you do this, you'll want to use more. So I'm going to use yellow not only here, but over here, because yellow plus this color is going to equal this. So I need to wipe off my brush, and I need to get the second color, which is red, and I need just a little bit, because that's a really small circle. It's okay if you paint outside your lines. And now I'm going to do yellow plus red. So I'm painting red on top of the yellow to mix my very own orange. So follow this equation, you do that again, yellow, and you put yellow over here, and then you paint the blue and a little tiny bit of blue, and you'll create your own green, and then you'll follow the equation for purple. When you're all done and you're finished creating your color theory chart, you can put it in a safe place and get a new piece of watercolor paper and do some free painting. When it's time to clean up, make sure that you close your watercolor paints, and then take your cup with 2 hands to the sink and dump it out, and don't forget to put your paintbrush back in your container so it doesn't get lost. Have fun!